Welcome to the latest episode of ActiveCollab's Recaps. This video will show the latest additions to ActiveCollab 8, like improved options to invite people and manage expenses. Keep watching to get all the details. ActiveCollab 8, Invite People. We've introduced new options to the process of inviting people to your ActiveCollab account. You'll be able to choose right away the role you'd like to assign this person and give them the necessary permissions. Once you've selected their title and the projects you'd like them to participate in, you'll also be able to set up their availability. Choose a default or custom setting for their working hours, as well as the available job types and internal hourly rate. The invitation can be sent in different languages, with an accompanying message welcoming the new team member or client. A separate tab will show all the pending invitations that you can resend if necessary. The invited member will see who invited them to which project, along with the welcome note and login link. They'll land on the welcome page, where they can customize their profile with a photo and preferred language, and set up a password before they start using ActiveCollab. ActiveCollab 8, Improved Expense tab. You can already review expenses on individual projects, but in the new ActiveCollab version, you'll be able to overview and edit them easily in the redesigned grid. The data will be updated in real time and neatly summed up at the top. Filtering by user, category, date, and location will let you find the needed information within seconds. It will be possible to centralize all details in one place by attaching receipts or other documents to a specific expense record. Keep following our channel for more ActiveCollab updates.